morning everyone. So this is RMS CET 2020. So basically we are going to see the all paper solution except Hindi. So yesterday I had given the solution of science. Okay, 50 questions in science. So I had discussed 50 questions of that science. So today we will see social science. Okay. Yes, we will see social science, and in that 30 questions are only asked. Okay. So if we move on next, see here, we will come to wait. I think it's asked. Yes. So this is the social science paper. Okay. So first one, 150% question. In which year? In which year was the first English factory set up? So the first English factory was set up in 1651. Next one. Who was the Governor General of India when the policy of paramountcy was initiated? So at that time, Lord Hastings was the Governor General of India. Next one. Who tried the repertory system on a small scale? So Captain Alexander Reed. 154th tribal group to which Birsa Munda belonged lived in. So the tribal group Birsa Munda lived in option number D, Chota Nagpur, Plateau. Next one, traders exported cocoons reared by Santhals too. So they exported to Gaya. Next one, in 1850, a new law was passed to make conversion to dash easier. So at that time, Christianity was made easier. Okay, and many people converted in this. 157th one, in which year was the power transferred from East India Company to British Crown? Okay, in that time, 157, D is the answer. 1858. What is Zamdani? Zamdani is a type of fine muslin. Muslin is a type of cloth. Next one, who amongst the following set up the Asiatic Society of Bengal? So, Asiatic Society of Bengal was set up by William Jones. Next one, William Jones. This one. Who led 3 movements for temple entry from 1927 to 1935? So, our Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar led it. Next one. What is the exclusive right over any idea or invention known as? So patent. Patent is the answer of 161. This is a general question. Everyone should know this. Resources whose entire quantity. Okay, resources whose entire quantity may not be known is known as potential resources. Okay, potential resources. I will highlight it. Stones, grass, and soil are used to build barriers along contours. This is known as contour barrier. Option A, contour barrier. Okay, it is known as contour barrier. Next one, an international convention that lists several species of animals and birds in which trade is prohibited is known as CITES. CITES, sites also known as. Okay. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out. What is this process known as? Okay. So this process is known as drilling. Okay, in that day we will dig out sand and there we will find the minerals. Okay. Next one, which of the following is related to deposits of gold? So I think this one might be wrong because Bihar and Rajasthan, they both are related to deposits of gold only. So there might be chances of answer changes in question. So I will go with Bihar. But okay, from which ore is aluminium obtained that is later used in automobiles? So aluminium is obtained from bauxite. Okay. Next one, which of the following is the leading producer of coffee in the world? So Brazil is the answer. If they will ask leading producer of tea, okay, leading producer of tea, then India will be the answer. Okay, India will be the answer for tea. Okay. For India will be the answer for tea. Next one, in tea also grows in Assam mostly. So the following is often known as the backbone of modern industry. So there might be there are also chances in this also. Wrong question. Because iron and steel, they both are known as the backbone of modern industry. What is the difference between birth rate and death rate of a country called? So sometimes the birth rate will be 3% and the death rate will be 1%. So that time natural growth rate will be there. Natural growth rate. When birth rate is greater than death rate, so that time natural growth rate will be there and the difference is known as natural growth rate. Okay. So here natural growth rate in my example will be 3 minus 1%. So it will be 2%. Okay, it will be 2%. Next one. Okay, so it is known as natural growth rate. Next one. Existence of more than one level of government in a country is known as. So 171 answer is federalism. Next one. Which article of the Constitution abolishes untouchability? So Article 17 is the right answer. Next one. Which term refers to an independent people? So the term sovereign refers to independent people. Next one, the fundamental duties are included in the Constitution by which of the following act? So they are included by the Act of 42nd Amendment. How many sessions of Lok Sabha are held in a year? So 3 is the answer. Next one, in Parliament, while in session begins with a question hour. Question hour is of 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour duration, and from that half an hour will be dedicated to questions only, and half an hour will be dedicated to answers only. Okay. Next one. In which year was the Hindu Succession Act passed? So Hindu Succession Act was passed in 177. Answer is C. The Hindu Succession Act was passed in 2005. Next one. When did the Supreme Court devise a mechanism of public interest litigation? P. Public interest litigation is also known as PIL. PIL. Next one. Who chaired a high-level committee in 2005? So, Justice Rajinder Sachar. Okay, last question of social studies science. That is, which article of the Constitution states that untouchability has been abolished? So, Article 17. So, I want to say that this question is repeated. Okay. So bye then. Take care and do join our Telegram channel. There also some educational content goes in the form of text and our videos links will be sent. Firstly, you should download Telegram app from Play Store, and after that from Telegram you should search Defense EDM, or simply in the description box I will provide the Telegram link to you so that you can join. Okay, so bye then. If you liked our efforts, then please like, share and subscribe our channel and videos. Thank you.